Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Naija News and Entertainment. I've got something very interesting for you guys today. Baby Naija Mercy Ike appears to have changed boyfriend for a second time, unfollows Willie XO. There are real rumors that Big Brother Naija winner Mercy Ike has dumped her new lover, fast rising singer Willie XO, as they unfollow each other on their social page for unknown reason. Just months after winning the famous reality show, she left her housemate lover Ike and got attached to Willie, who recently shipped her to the UK for a fun time few weeks ago. However, now things have turned sour between the two lovebirds, as Mercy seems set to have moved on with this drastic move which she used in cutting him off. Meanwhile, about 2 weeks ago, the duo in a PDA session on Instagram decided to confirm to the world that they are in a relationship. In an already deleted comment, Mercy professed love to Willie XO on a photo uploaded on his Instagram page. Mercy Lambo marked her territory and sent out a memo that Willie XO is her new man. So I wonder what is happening now. This Mercy of a guy, I think she's in this game to be with so many guys. I don't know what her plan is anyway, but obviously right now she's no longer with this guy and they've parted ways. Guys, what do you think about Baby Naija Mercy? Do you think it's just a move to sell her products, or what's going on? Share your comments in the section below, and if you're new on this channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when a story drops.